get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Are you aged 16 to 17? Have you left school? Are you unemployed? Then a traineeship could be perfect for you. It's brilliant. Take the traineeship in mechanics, for example. Everything is geared to helping you learn skills that you need to be a success. The training providers have set up professional garages and workshops, giving you the opportunity to learn all about engines and the tools and equipment that qualified mechanics use in their job.
First of all, when I first came here, it was like stripping down engines, stuff like that, but then I got moved on to the more difficult things, like changing like suspensions, stuff like that.
When I first started here, I knew very little, and now I know quite a lot.
You'll be taught how to work on wheels, exhausts and other parts of the engine. But it's not just what you learn that makes a traineeship so much fun. It's also about how you learn. You're given the trust and the responsibility to work on your own to get the job done.
In here, you get to do your own thing. If you don't set yourself targets, you won't get nowhere. You're basically your own boss here. You have to choose your work you want to do, and then you have to figure out your weaknesses and your strengths in motor vehicle.
You're treated like adults. As long as you show respect, they'll show respect, and they haven't got a problem helping you. Like if you haven't got a clue what to do, they haven't got a problem with you asking, they'll just show you how to do it.
And that's the big difference. It's nothing like school. The tutors treat you like an adult. They're there to help you learn, of course, and are always around to offer advice and support. But at the end of the day, it's up to you to work hard and succeed. It's more like a job. In fact, you even get paid £10 a day.
Yeah, you get treated more like an adult and you got more freedom. You get paid to come in here. It's a big step from school, it is, really.
But you shouldn't do a traineeship just for the money. What's really important is that you do something you enjoy, something that helps you get a good job. You'll also get the opportunity to do work experience with a local mechanics business.
Before I come here, I'd have just stayed at home, in bed, all day. And that's probably still where I'd be now if I never come here.
A traineeship is perfect if you left school not knowing what you want to do. It will give you the time to try out different skills and open doors for you. Whether you want to continue your learning, go on to college after you finish your traineeship, do an apprenticeship, or find a job.
I'm doing my level 1 mechanics course, which will gradually qualify to a level 3, which will make me a qualified mechanic.
I'm learning a lot now, hopefully. I've got everything lined up, I get a job, open my own business, everything. It's a good opportunity, this.
I recommend it because I'm learning real skills here, and it could qualify through to a job and bigger things. I really enjoy getting up in the morning to come here.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about a traineeship in mechanics.